Hi guys, and welcome to a new episode on this channel. In this episode we're going to make an RC boat. I already bought some supplies here, as well as some propellers and other stuff. And I bought the polyester, and we have lots of fiberglass in here. But to begin with, we're going to use the foam and get the shape of the boat, and then we're going to use the fiberglassing and the polyester to get the shape on the boat. So that's where we're going to start. Let's head to the garage. Shaping the boat now. Then we'll get the fiberglass on. It's a little bit rough here, but we'll fill that up afterwards. And so yeah, I think I'm going to prepare for the fiberglass now. Okay, so I laid out the first layer of fiberglass here. And I'll try to do my best. Okay, so I've been sanding down the hull now, working on it. Then I bought some fillers, so I'm gonna fill up the hole, and then we'll get started. Okay, so I finished sanding it down, making the edges nice and smooth. So now I'll turn the boat around and I'll get on with some fiberglass pudding, and hopefully we'll get the edges nice and smooth with the fiberglass cutting, and as well as the rest of the hull of the boat. So fingers crossed. side too. Let it dry and then sand it down and see if we need some more. Okay, so the whole boat is now covered, and I think it turned out really well. Let it dry out now for about 15 minutes. Then I will sand it down, and while I'm done sanding, I have some leftovers here that I'll fill the gaps there. Okay, so the sanding machine is ready. Made this little tent for it while I'm going to sand it, and as you can see, the whole boat is covered, and I think we're getting there. Okay, since it took forever to use the sand machine, decided to use this one. And I'll try to do it carefully so I don't get into too deep, but we'll try that. So I've been adding some fiberglass putties, sanding it down, adding some, sanding it down. I think this will be the last time I'll do it. Those cracks I think I'm going to make down there and cut all the way back here. But there's a little hole here that I have to fix in some other stuff. So, but we're getting there. It's getting smooth now. Okay, so lately there's been almost no time for me to work on this project since I'm going on a school trip here. But now I got my project on the boat, so I'll work after school, and what I'll do now is to get the right cuts that I'll need. This is not the right one that I want. It's gonna be lower all the way here, so I don't need to work with those things after all. And then I will work on these spots to get them nice and smooth. And that's where this video gonna end. And then in the next video I will install shafts, propellers, rudders, and engines, and the electronics. So that's what we're going to do now. Okay, so now I got one side done. Ready in place. This is what's gonna hold the deck all the way from back here to there. And then I have one more that's gonna go on the other side. And after that I will get some putting on the boat on the outside, I mean, sorry. And yeah, this is also some of the weight that I might probably use. So, well, we're getting there. Okay, so I got them both in now. Okay, so now I've been sanding down the putting on the boat. It's really nice now. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. In the next video I will install rudder, shafts, props and engines, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you soon.